We are over 7,500 strong.
We support,
create,
maintain,
and engineer.
When it's mission critical,
we deliver.
If it's complicated, we take it on.
If the Air Force needs it, we can do it.
We are tested, committed,
patriotic, and strong.
We are the men
and the women
of the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex.
Since 1941, Middle Georgia's Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex has been the backbone of American air power. As one of the 3 Air Force depots, our nation has relied on the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex to build the world's strongest organic industrial base to deliver combat effects anywhere on the globe. At the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex, we do our warfighting mission every day. We repair, overhaul, and modify aircraft subsystems, and software to ensure our Air Force and the Department of Defense can meet the demands of the National Defense Strategy. Simply put, our nation's readiness and war sustaining begins and ends in Middle Georgia and the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex. We deliver air power, period. In 1941, crews opened construction on what would become the largest industrial complex in the state of Georgia. Near the small railway stop at Wellston, Georgia, the land was developed into the Georgia Air Depot at Robbins Field, which became a central node of aircraft repair and distribution for the war effort. The Georgia Air Depot was later renamed to credit the father of logistics, Brigadier General Augustine Warner Robins. The Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex remains true to his logistics legacy throughout history and today. From manufacturing parts for the Berlin Airlift, to reviving the B-29 Superfortress for the Korean War, to sustaining the world's most robust mobility fleet. The Warner Robins ALC is comprised of 5 groups: the 402nd Aircraft Maintenance Group, the 402nd Commodities Maintenance Group, the 402nd Electronics Maintenance Group, the 402nd Maintenance Support Group, the 402nd Software Engineering Group, and various staff agencies that support the ALC. These groups and staff agencies are comprised of a 98% civilian airman workforce who reside in the local communities. Put simply, the Warner Robins ALC would not be successful without this steadfast support. The Warner Robins ALC was and continues to be built by icons and everyday people. The 402nd Aircraft Maintenance Group provides responsive, reliable, and resourceful maintenance, overhaul, repair, and inspection to over 100 aircraft a year. From F-15s maintaining air superiority in deep strike missions, to the RQ-4 reconnaissance aircraft providing intel to the front lines, the heavy airlift C-130s, C-5s, and C-17s that deliver hope across the globe, and the expeditionary repair of contingency aircraft, often behind enemy lines. They remain on the leading edge of Air Force operations. Safe, reliable, on-time aircraft. The 402nd Commodities Maintenance Group supports all Department of Defense warfighters. It is responsible for depot-level maintenance, overhaul, repair, and manufacturing of some of the most lethal and critically important weapon systems in the Air Force arsenal. The group inspects, modifies, overhauls, and manufactures aircraft structural components and critical safety of flight assets for the worldwide supply chain. They are comprised of precision technicians and state-of-the-art robotic technology to design, develop, and create any part, any tool, anytime. The 402nd Electronics Maintenance Group provides combat-ready avionics parts and services to virtually every Air Force aircraft. Their production encompasses 75% of the Air Force avionics workload, which includes 275 key systems incorporating 6,100 discrete items. They transform capability into effects through outstanding depot-level testing, manufacturing, repair, and engineering for all Department of Defense services and foreign military sales. At the center of all operations is the 402nd Maintenance Support Group. They provide world-class service, resources, and infrastructure to guarantee the smooth execution of over 6.5 million production hours per year. They support over 170 buildings, 23 aircraft hangars, and a 6 million square foot industrial area. The 402nd Maintenance Support Group provides a wide range of industrial engineering and laboratory services for maintenance production groups in the ALC. As the world is becoming more and more dependent on software, so are aircraft operating systems. The 402nd Software Engineering Group provides solutions to a wide range of DoD platforms, attracting some of the greatest engineering minds in the country. They develop software for embedded weapon systems, automatic test equipment, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance platforms, and business enterprise systems. Our engineers work with all types of aircraft to safeguard America's fleet. The unsung heroes of the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex are the ALC staff agencies, comprised of safety, quality, inspector general, engineering, business operations, financial management, and the Aerospace Sustainment Directorate. They support Warner Robins ALC's core missions and are critical to the successful execution of a nearly $1.8 billion operating budget. They ensure the workforce is safe, compliant, and delivering world-class products to the warfighter to keep us all flying high. These critical mission areas only scratch the surface of what the Air Logistics Complex accomplishes every day. The foundation of everything the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex does is the tremendous workforce. Highly skilled men and women from all walks of life, and in some cases multiple generations of a single family, join forces to make the mission happen every day in Middle Georgia. While the machines and the technology make Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex great, the men and women of Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex make it exceptional. They always have and always will. Since 1941 to today and beyond, the production efforts of the Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex will be the foundation for the unmatched capabilities of our nation's air and space forces.
I am.
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 We are.
The Warner Robins Air Logistics Complex.
We deliver air power, period.